Who's that around Virginia? Who's out there looking for a dollar bill around Virginia? Bozo with the big red nose, probably bigger. Bozo. Who's down? Turn on back to me one more time. I got me here the speaker. Let's go. Bozo right there back. I like that screaming eagle, Lightweight. Hey, Lightweight, I like that screaming eagle. I got that screaming clown. Hey, Lightweight, I like that screaming eagle. I got one of them screaming clowns. Hello, Worldwide, Lightweight, Bozo right there, right back.
Sure, right, Bozo the clown. I hope you're doing fine, man. I just wanted to wait for one, man. Say hello, how to do to you, man, and welcome to the weekend, man. Happy Mother's Day to you and yours, kiss the queen, Bozo the clown. Take care. Sound real good in the fuck, guy. Bozo the clown, Lightweight, always in a diamond squad.
Alright, Lightweight, thanks for taking time out of your busy day to look my way. And happy Mother's Day to you and yours from me and mine. Worldwide, Lightweight, Bozo the clown, CircusMobile.com with the video gate on. I'm reading the mail.
And that's my Roger, Bozo. I'll be looking forward to you posting that video gate, man. I always do, man, because you always post some good ones at the show. Oh, Bozo the clown, Bozo the one again, Lightweight, always in a diamond squad. Around the coast of Kelly, oh.
And I'm Roger, Lightweight, hey, Lightweight, I thank you. Bye, Lightweight, take it easy, take care. Bye, Lightweight, bye, Lightweight, and the band, Bozo the clown in Idaho got down.
Hey, Bozo. Hey, where's that body? Yeah, the great thing happened, brother. They coming up on that end. I put it on you later. Take you on that end. Where's that body, Mohawk? Where's that body, Mohawk? Michael later got down. No contact on Bozo the clown around Idaho. No contact on Modulator. Oh, Modulator, go.
I heard somebody out there saying no contact on Bozo. But I couldn't pull out that 28. Worldwide, Bozo the clown with the ear and the speaker. Let's go.
Hey, Bozo, where you at, Bozo? Hey, Bozo, Mohawk in the Carolinas, where you be at? Alright, Bozo, Mohawk in the Carolina. Alright, Bozo, Mohawk, bring him.
Hey, Hog, I'm in Idaho. Hello, Hog. Hello, Worldwide Hog. Yeah, Bozo the clown in Idaho got down.
Yeah, right on, Bozo. You say you been in Idaho, ain't no doubt about it. Come on, and Bozo in Idaho. Mohawk in the Carolina got down.
And I'm Roger, Worldwide Bohog. Hey, Bohog, you take it easy, take care out there around the Carolinas, man. And thanks for taking time on your busy day to look my way. Hello, Worldwide Bohog. In the Carolinas, your Bozo the clown. In Idaho, I got down.
All right on, Bozo. Hey, 115, sitting on Virginia, break.
Hey, Lightweight, you just blew out my eardrums, Lightweight. Hey, Lightweight, you just blew out my eardrums. Hello, Lightweight, your Bozo the clown right there, right back.
Hey, Bozo the clown, I'm going to Texas, got my ears pinned back, man, but, hey, you keep some walking and talking, man, no doubt about it. I'm going to get on out of here, man, and sit back and copy the mail for
North Rubber Tough in your hand. Thanks for taking time to look my way. Worldwide, lightweight, your Bozo the Clown. Lightweight, Bozo the Clown, Potato Town. Got down, got down. Damn it, you know I got down. Bye, 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 now bum, bum.
Look at on that modulator in the big horn. 823 with a nose problem. Right.
823, you got that Screaming Clown smoking. 823, you got that screaming eagle smoking. Hello, worldwide 823, Bozo the Clown got down.
10-4 right here. On that modulator. When you sound real good around that graduation tonight. Bodega Johnny 823 above 10 reading the mail.
AI-23, can you say Bozo the Clown? 823, Bozo the Clown got down. Bye, Bohawk, bye, Bohawk, bye, 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 Bohawk, Bozo the Clown got down.
Number one diesel mechanic on the sand, pal. I thought you planned to go to back to it. Yeah, you gonna kick in the modulator? Kick in 200 watt? Yeah, you gonna let all them modulator?
I heard somebody out there running sand pile, I couldn't get that 28. I heard somebody out there running the sand pile, looked my way, but I couldn't pull out that 28. Worldwide, Bozo the Clown with the ear speaker, let's go.
We did say that number one diesel mechanic on the Palm Beach.
Hello, number one diesel mechanic. Hello, number one diesel mechanic. Hello, number one diesel mechanic around the sand pile. Number one diesel mechanic, Bozo the Clown in Idaho. I got down.
Oh, Bozo, Mr. Ridge, right?
Hey, number one diesel mechanic, take it easy, take care of your bad self, man. Hey, number one diesel mechanic, take it easy, take care. Worldwide, number one diesel mechanic, Bozo with the high five. Have a good day.
Oh, got that. Hey, Bozo, look around northwest corner. Hey, Bozo, 45, Keystone. Right, I was ready to go down, but I didn't get on the zone. God, you got it real good. I want to say good morning. Good morning, my brother. Take care of that in. Stay cold down, got that.
I heard somebody out there at 1445. I heard somebody out there named 45. You want me to look around the corner? Hello, 45 in the corner. Hello, 45 in the corner. Bozo with the high five. I'm rocking on.
Keystone, looking back from the Keystone, stay 45.
Alright, 45 around Keystone. You take it easy, take care of your bad self. Thanks for looking my way. Happy Mother's Day. Worldwide 45 Keystone. Bozo the Clown got down.
No, you be plugging my ears up in the Carolina, got nigga. Back here, Bozo, got that.
Hey, sorry about plugging your ears for a bullhog. I'm sorry about plugging your ears. I apologize from the bottom of my heart. I apologize from the bottom of this clown's heart. Hello, worldwide bullhog. Bozo the Clown with the high five. Let's go.
Yeah, right, on Bozo. Go ahead and do your thing, man. Bozo, go ahead and do what you know on that. Just look at it. You're doing your thing. Put it on your later. Bozo the Clown. Bozo, got that.
Hey, bullhog, I can't help it. I'm good with the ladies, man. Hey, bullhog, I can't help it. I'm good with the ladies. Mother Nature likes to swing in my thing. Hey, bullhog, Mother Nature likes to swing in my thing. Worldwide, bullhog, your Bozo the Clown got down.
Yeah, right, on Bozo the Clown.
about I didn't have to pay her, hey, Bullhog? I didn't have to pay Mother Nature for that lap dance, man. Hey, Bullhog, I did not have to pay Mother Nature a dime for that lap dance. Hello, where why, Bullhog? Me and Mother Nature doing the bump and grind. Bullhog, yo, bozo, let's go.
Yeah, right, bozo. Well, Johnny, she's going, it ain't no doubt about it, no doubt about it. But bozo, Johnny, you get a good lap dance on this. Don't look at it yet. Put it on you later, bozo, and Idaho, Bullhog, get a Carolina dog.
And Roger, all right, Bullhog, take it easy, take care with your bad self. Bye, 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 bye.
Bye.